Hello, my name is Nigel Smalls from infraredaustralia.com.au and I'm here to show you how to put the mounting bracket in the rear of the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. All the Heliosa range have a specific mounting point and mounting bracket that goes on the back of the heater. If you turn the heater over, I'm using an example of a 66 here, and you will see that there is a mount that protrudes from the back of the heater with a couple of tabs on it. These tabs are generally meant to ensure that the heater can only be located on a wall and mounted between 90 degrees and 45 degrees. There is another option that we also can use, but that is the main part of it on all of the Heliosa range. The Halfmoon bracket provided has got a curve on it where it will go around the bolt, and that should be on the underside. You have to fit this Halfmoon by putting it in at an angle and then straightening it so that it sits between the two tabs. Once you've got that there, push the bolt through and screw on the provided nut. Now, because it's a nylon nut, it won't go all the way in and you'll have a very loose heater. You wouldn't want that. So you need two 13mm adjustables or adjustable and a 13mm spanner, and you just tighten it until it's hand tight. So this is hand tight. The reason you don't fully tighten it is because when you're mounting it on a wall, that is when you make a determination as to exactly the angle that you will want, and then you finally tighten it so that it can't move. The Halfmoon is then attached either with a short bracket or a longer bracket. So the short bracket will provide you with heat nearer to the heater. The longer bracket is used to project further away. Two screw holes are provided on both, and these can be attached simply with a Tech screw or wood screw into eaves, or if you need to, you can use metal screws or into brickwork or whatever. So the angles available on these determined by where you can mount them. So you can mount this one that way, downwards, if that's the wall, up from the wall if you need to mount it higher, and in this particular case, close to the wall either way. Little bolts and nylon nut is provided with the kit to allow you to secure your selected wall bracket, but you do this in place. So that's how you install the mounting bracket on the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. For more information, visit infraredaustralia.com.au or infraredheating.com.au. Thank you for watching.